This is the answer to Chapter 1, problem number 67 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And we're given 4 ions in this problem and asked to draw in all the hydrogens and all the lone pairs. And so remember, in skeletal notation, the end of each line and the intersection of any lines is going to represent a carbon. And we need to put as many hydrogens as possible on each of those carbons. So each of these terminal carbons here is going to have 3 hydrogens on it. So that's a CH3 group. This carbon here, where they come together, has only 3 bonds, so it must have a hydrogen on it as well. And then the nitrogen here has a negative charge and only 2 bonds, and so it is going to have 2 lone pairs as well. And so there they are. That's A.